Welcome to JG Eats, brought to you by Stovetopyumyum. And today, we've been making another great meal on a budget. We will be making fettuccine alfredo with hot kielbasa. Our water is boiling. Now we're about to put our fettuccine in the boiling water. But remember, folks, no longer than 9 minutes. We're going to use the whole thing. Now we're going to pour a little vegetable oil. Now we're going to drop our sauces in. Stir around a little bit. And now we're going to be using Abbiamo Italiano. Remember, this has no salt, no sugar, no gluten. It's an amazing seasoning blend. You can put as much as you want, less as you want, much as you want, less as you want. I mean, here we go. You got this much in. Why not? Let's go. Stovetopyumyum. Amazing seasoning blend. There it is. Too much gray? Now we're going to put a little water, a fourth of a cup, so my sausage doesn't burn. Oh, the smell of that. With that Italian blend, Abbiamo Italiano. That's amazing. It smells so good. I wish you guys were here to smell this. Remember, this is such an amazing meal. $10 to feed a family of 4. It's ooh-wee. That smells amazing. Now let's let the water evaporate a little bit, and then we're going to put in our Alfredo sauce. Use your favorite brand of Alfredo sauce. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to pour it in. Now we're going to add some extra love, some minced garlic. Now we're going to fold in our fettuccine into our sauce. Now we're going to stir it. Awesome meal. Like I said, it's an awesome meal for a family of 4. You get it all in there. I wish you guys were here to smell it. That Abbiamo Italiano just takes it to another level. This is an incredible meal. When I come back, we're going to plate and taste. Now we're about to plate. Looking good, looking good. Now this is amazing Alfredo dish for under $10. Let's give it a taste, y'all. Let me get some of that pasta. Gotta get some of that sauce. See what's happening. That's good. That's amazing. Don't forget, folks, we also use Abbiamo Italiano. It's an amazing seasoning blend. No salt, no sugar, no gluten. It's incredible. Stovetopyumyum. Let's go.